Okay, so hi, this is the first video that I'm shooting as a tutorial right now. So I don't have much to say as of now. So let's just jump into the tutorial part of the video. So as we know that the Dark season from on Netflix has been trending a lot, and I personally really love that show. And I tried to create that fan art like a poster of Dark as it is shown in the Dark movie. So today we'll learn how to create the poster of the Dark season. You must have seen the Dark from on Dark on Netflix. So we'll try to recreate the poster from Dark. I'll show you the whole process from creating that symbol of Dark, the logo of Netflix, how to do that, and how to create that Dark logo also. So let's just jump into the tutorial. So we'll start with the circle. Let's duplicate the circle into 3 parts so that the intersecting parts of the circle look like the Dark symbol, like this. Here now you can see that the inside the symbol looks like it looks like the Dark symbol. Now we just have to do is that we have to remove those extra parts of the circle. So how we there are a lot of ways to remove those parts. Here we will use the Pathfinder tool. That's the easiest way to remove the those parts of the circle, like this. So what we have done here is that we copied the whole 3 circles and pasted it above the circle. Just copy and paste it 2 times and you're good to go. There are 3 circles, so we'll copy and paste it 3 times. So we'll use this tool. So now you can see is that the extra circles are deleted and we got this shape. As you can see that we have the symbol ready. So for this next part, we'll try to create that typography that we see in the Dark poster. We have used the Lato font in this. We'll create outlines. I think we don't need the commentary over this thing because everybody knows how to do this, and it will be pretty clear to understand. Just space it out. Use the rectangle tool to align them properly. So on the next part, we will be creating. We will try to recreate the Netflix logo with our own name. So here we'll be using the name of our institute, that is Instinct, and let's jump into this. For creating this poster, I have used two softwares, Illustrator and Photoshop. So to create the poster, because Photoshop is quite easier than Illustrator to create a poster. It's your preference. I like Photoshop to create posters and all. I think it's very easy. It's easier for me to work on Photoshop rather than doing everything on Illustrator itself. So on this part, we'll learn how to create that mirror image that you see in all the posters of Dark. So we'll be using an app called Mirror Lab. You can find it on Play Store. As I have the Android phone and I did it from I downloaded the Mirror Lab app from the Play Store. You can also find it on Apple too. So yeah, let's jump into how to create that mirror feel using that app. We have used Snapseed also to create that black and white dark kind of editing, doing that dark kind of editing through that we see in the posters of Dark. Yeah, so let's jump into the mobile part. So we go to the Mirror Lab app, we turn on the camera, we click a photo, adjust a frame as you want. So this is our office where we do all the creative stuff. So as you can see that this app gives you many options to choose from. You can choose any option that you like to create that mirror look from the dark poster. And we'll keep the aspect ratio to 1:1 because we'll be posting it on Instagram. Okay, so for the last part, we'll be using Photoshop. Many people can, so you can create that whole poster into Illustrator also, but I like using Photoshop also. Photoshop, it feels pretty easier for me to, use that Photoshop app rather than using Illustrator for creating whole logo. So let's just jump into the tutorial to the Photoshop part of the video. So we'll start with importing the image that we processed on the mobile using the Snapseed. Rasterize the layer and use the healing tool to wipe out all the unnecessary parts of the image. You can do this on Snapseed also, but I rather chose this Photoshop to do it in a proper way. You can also use Snapseed to do the healing part. I think this looks pretty good, and let's proceed to doing the text part. So now what we'll be doing is that we'll just have to copy all the objects from Illustrator and we'll just paste it as a smart object on Photoshop. As easy as that. We just have to paste in place. That's it. Okay, so we are done with the poster, and I hope you like this tutorial. Do you know? I'm not putting it on YouTube or anything. Just follow me on Instagram by the name of Genius Jackass, and ciao.